Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see about how to install Python IDLE latest version. Now open your browser and type python.org. It is the official website of Python. And click on enter and it will open a Python site. And now this is a python.org website, and here we can download Python any version. So here I am clicking on latest version 3.11. So here I have opened this page, and here we can download this for Windows, Linux, Mac. We can easily download from here. So first go to here downloads and click on Python 3.11.4 version here. So it will download. So click on here open when done. So then when the download is completed, it will open a window. After the download, we have to install it in our computer. So in a few seconds it will be download. After the download, it will open a window like this. So here we have to install now. We have to click on install now, and then it will install. So go and click on here install now, and it will start installing. So it will take a few seconds, and the installation was completed. And then we have to go to here search bar and search here Python IDLE 3.11, or you have to search IDLE. Then it will give you here like this IDLE Python. Then click on here open on the side window, or you can click on it, double click, and it will open the IDLE. So here I am clicking on open, and it will open Python IDLE. So this is our IDLE. So it is a 3.11.4 latest version. So here I am taking an example, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and I want to print a plus b. And now click on enter. The answer will be 10 plus 20 30. If you want to open any file, go to the file option here, and you can have the open, and you can open your files in your computer. Or if you want to create a new file, and you can create here, go to on the file, and here you have the first option as new file. You can create a new file. So this is our video how to install IDLE. In the next video we are going to do a new project. Please subscribe to our channel and like, share with your friends and family members. Thank you.